Welcome to the magical world of Nivi and Juju. Put on your traveling shoes and let's set off on some magical adventures. Are you ready? Nivi and Juju's magical map is taking them to a special place. This time, it is a geyser basin. It is like a big field where hot water comes out of the ground in bubbles and steam. The air feels warm and they can see clouds of steam rising up all around them. As they walk closer to the geyser, they feel really warm under their feet. Geysers are like big fountains that sometimes shoot up into the air with a loud sound. But some are gentle, like a quiet whisper. Nivi and Juju watch as the geysers spray water and steam into the sky, making beautiful patterns. While they are admiring the geysers, they hear birds chirping above them. Looking up, they see colorful birds flying overhead. They follow the birds to a pond where they see some playful otters swimming and splashing around. Nivi and Juju want to make friends, but the otters get scared and run away. Nivi uses her magic to calm them down, showing them that the two of them mean no harm and simply want to be friends. The otters feel better and invite Nivi and Juju to join them in the water. As they all play together, giggling and splashing in the water, they suddenly hear a tiny sound. They see a baby bird struggling in the water. Acting quickly, Juju makes a sieve from nearby plants and scoops up the bird. Nivi wraps it in a soft towel and dries it gently. The baby bird snuggles closer to Nivi, chirping happily. Mama and Papa bird come rushing over, relieved to see their little one safe in Nivi's hands. With the baby bird safe and sound, Nivi and Juju feel a deep sense of happiness and gratitude. Their adventure in the geyser basin has been a magical journey of discovery and connection, reminding them of the wonders that await them in every corner of the world. With this last adventure, they realize that they have visited all the places on the map. They fold it and look at each other smiling. The map may have been complete, but more adventures await Nivi and Juju. They rush back to the magical library to find more treasures and more adventures. I can't wait to see what is in store for them. Can you? Thank you for listening to this episode of The Adventures of Nivi and Juju. You can take off your traveling shoes and rest up a bit while we prepare for their next adventure. Tune in to the next episode soon.